Hey guys, Ken from the Computer Clan, coming to you live with a very professional update. So professional. Look at this professional setup. Yeah, blinds, construction paper, and duct tape. You betcha. Does not get any better than this. But, in all legitimacy, I do have some things to talk about. And you may be wondering, what is this hard drive and this mini DV tape doing here? Well, I will get to that in 1 second. That's important. Remember that for later. I am sorry I don't have a regular video for today. That rarely happens, but it's happening today. But we did have a bonus video yesterday, so please be happy. Anyway, I am updating you on our content plan of attack and other crap. So, data recovery. What is going on with that? Well, I ran the data recovery on my RAID, and Data Rescue was able to recover a lot of stuff. However, there were 2 files I just absolutely could not get working. I tried a couple different things, got a lot of errors, and I was just like, you know what? That's enough. I can just stick with what I've got. I'm able to continue. These were files that were accidentally deleted as part of my documentary, which was already edited and released, but I wanted to have the completed scratch disk with all the original footage to do other videos and just have example material and all this good stuff, but I can get by without it. So data recovery, I would say, mostly worked. We are good to go. Little speed bump, but thank you, Data Rescue by ProSoft. I got most of that stuff back. And what else have we got? Well, Chicago! Yes, I was recently in Chicago. Had a lot of fun there. So the documentary took place in Kenosha. Let's go a little bit more south to Chicago, which is actually the city in the background right here. I shot that photo, by the way. Very pretty looking. And I went there because I was actually training. I was learning some new things. And I'm going to put some of that stuff into some new TidBytes videos to teach you guys some things, some really cool things. And, you know, I have also got some other photography stuff up my sleeve that I want to teach you guys as well. So I'm putting some new TidBytes videos together. And actually, speaking of photos, I shot some pretty cool stuff while I was in Chicago during my sightseeing trip. It was great. I also went to that new Apple store. There's the new iMac Pro. And then, of course, you get Cloudgate and the city as seen from the top of the Willis Tower, 103 floors up. It was great, and I can't wait to share more educational content on TidBytes about photography, After Effects, Adobe Audition, iMovie, Logic Pro. Oh, man, so many things I got waiting in the wings. Stick around. Also, Krazy Ken, yes. The most recent episode at this point in time was the mini DV tape conversion chaos, which moved into a part 2. Yes, there will be a part 2. I actually was working with these little guys, cataloging them, going through them basically in real time, just kind of fast forwarding and going through them, just to catalog them. And I've been doing that behind the scenes. But I needed to get a camera to continue importing. That's what interrupted us last time because the cameras were not working for capture. But I was able to find a working camera, I think, and everything is going to continue in part 2 of this little story arc on Krazy Ken's Tech Misadventures. There's going to be a lot of nostalgia with these old tapes as we capture them. It will be a time travel blast, you betcha. So buckle your seatbelts. That'll be fun. That's coming up. And hard drive repair. I kind of teased this in the part 1 of the conversion chaos on Krazy Ken. This thing. This is a hard drive I have not turned on in years. I have no clue what is on it. I tried to power it up recently. It won't turn on. So we are going to try to fix this and see what's on it. Right now it's the time capsule. It's a mystery, but we're going to try to reveal what lies within. This company doesn't even exist anymore. So yeah, we'll get to that in a future Krazy Ken episode. And just a little bit of a side thing here. I've had several people recommend that I should do comment readings. And honestly, guys, I get a lot of hilarious comments. So should I do that? Have a vote right here. Should I do like a comment reading reactions video? I'd like to know what you guys think. So that is our very professional update, our content plan of attack. Thanks for sticking with me, guys. Again, sorry for no new regular video today, but we have some good stuff coming up, and there was a bonus video released yesterday. Do check that out. I'm very excited. I'll see you in the not-too-distant future.